Oh, Lucy having a nap.
She fell asleep in the pool because it was so relaxing. She was awake at first, and she enjoyed it, and it was sunny. And then she had about an ounce and a half, finished her meal, and then she just fell asleep. It's nice and warm water, and she just chilled.
You see her little legs. And how about Pixie? Hey, Pixie. Hi, Pixie. Hi, Pixie.
I don't like this water thing too much.
Hi.
You want to watch me swim, she said?
I don't want her to splash
I mean, people over there.
like that.
Splash is too much, and Joey's got the camera going. Joey, you can look at her now. Her feet are in the water. Keep swimming.
Pixie. Hi, Pixie. Hey. How you doing, Pixie? Gross. Bye, Mama.